Family Dentistry, and we are now doing our origami tooth burst challenge.
It's Dr. T. Today I'm at my associate office here and got them to do the molar origami, so let's see what's going on. Alright?
Alright, so we are at KK Smiles and we got a good smiler there, and we are starting our test for the day. So we need these papers.
My name is Luke Daining.
And I'm Gina Daining, and we are going to watch a video, and then I guess we have a project to complete.
Origami tooth. Oh, that looks like it's gonna be tough.
Hi guys, Dr. Christmas Smile Modern here. So the rest of my team is actually unavailable today, so I'm going to have some helpers with me. We're going to be making origami tooth, and I actually found some origami paper. So this is actually pink in honor of Valentine's Day this month. So let's get started.
Hi, this is Leila Torres from OrigamiSpirit.com. We are going to be folding a tooth by Mark Kirchenbaum. We start with a square piece of paper, 7 by 7 inches. If it's double-sided, we start on the white side up. We fold in a half, border to border.
Oh, I messed up already. Alice, you won.
Wait.
Like that.
She was back. Take the paper by the two opposite corners. And collapse it into a quarter by
Wait, I missed that again.
paper, 7 by 7 inches. If it's double-sided, we start on the right side up.
You want to make it like
We
this.
fold in a half, border to border, both sides.
Like that?
Yeah.
How many triangles? Both ways?
Then we take the paper by the two opposite corners and we collapse it into a waterborne base.
I'm lost now.
I'm lost.
Then we take the
Playback.
You did your first in half. She did another in half, didn't she?
Yep.
So after you did this, what did you open it and you did it in half?
That side,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay, yeah, I missed that one. I don't think I did this right.
It's double-sided, we start on the right side up. Start with a square piece of paper, 7 by 7 inches.
But she's doing the right side, but I don't know. Why are you doing the left side?
Why you gotta hate? You're fired.
Okay, are we ready?
How'd you get that little thingy-majiggy-uppy? Because you take.
I've already folded
All right,
it
white
like
side up. You
Really?
did it wrong. Did it wrong.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. White side up. And you're gonna take it. You're gonna do it like this, right?
Star shape.
I guess. Okay. Then you're gonna take this and you're gonna fold it up like this.
Right corner to the previous mark. Ah, okay.
Here's something again. I did this when I was in school.
Yeah.
Goodness. Oh, there's where you rewind it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
That's
talking
how
about.
I
I kept doing
but-
that. That's why I'm like, why does the volume keep going down? Okay.
She's making like, I don't want to say it.
What is it? I don't know what word that was that she said.
Okay, I did it. What does this look like?
Paper crane?
Now,
Is that what you were going for, or is your mind in the gutter?
Okay. Lay that booger down. Fold that booger up. Lay that booger down. Fold that booger up.
Okay. We're going to talk about boogers on our YouTube channel.
tiny mark, pinch mark.
Oh, that was just tiny.
And then we take
No, wait. We gotta back it
the
up
right
because
corner
Hold on.
Yeah.
All
'cause
the
that
way to
wasn't
the
that
left, mark the
Dang it.
butcher's teeth.
I don't know. I'm just doing whatever.
Okay, so we do them all. The way I understand it, we do them all.
And what were we doing? This to this?
Yeah, go around, do every flap.
I'm done. Me too. Look at this. Yeah, I'm not sure about all this. Beautiful.
Yours looks really crinkly. Can't be right.
Of this flap
Because I'm not gonna
to the back.
keep doing it.
You can begin to reduce your
And then you go back again. So there you go.
What the? Alright, are we gonna start from the beginning or?
No. So she had it like this.
So you have to do from here. Well, it's just kind of weird.
I don't like this video you picked.
Ready to pick it?
on the white side up.
I think that's our problem. We'll just imagine the other side is yellow.
Right.
Then you turn it over on the diagonals. No diagonals. Then you take the paper about
I don't know what I got.
serve as guides. That's the
I feel like she said it's double-sided paper, so is it like she has more?
She can see, yeah, she has more guidance than we have because we don't have the two colors. Okay.
So we have
But even so, like, we're like
one
this, and she's
corner
like
of the
out.
tooth.
Yeah.
We are going to repeat it 3 more flaps.
Oh, girl.
Don't let me get flaps.
Some alcohol.
Okay. This one.
Remember how you used to do that in school? Which boys will marry me? Pick one. I'm so lost. Where do we go from here?
We're getting ready to find that out.
So apparently the trick is learn how to do it for one root, and then you can do it all for all 3. I gotta pause our patience here.
Good, because I'm really lost. We should have had Vanessa now. Let's do this. I'm not.
Turn it around and make sure you got your 3 things on every one.
I don't, but
Okay.
I'm out of the contest.
All right, you see this?
Yeah.
It should look something like this. I'm
Right.
thinking.
Okay.
Don't hold me to it.
I can't work with this. It's sloppy work. Alright, let's just focus on mine since mine's not messed up.
I just want to know how you got this
So,
corner.
I went like from here. You have to do a fold
Yeah, I did a
It goes-
fold down.
down just to the bottom.
This is a difficult first origami.
Yeah. Thanks, first.
You mean Charlotte?
Thanks, Charlotte.
I wonder how we work together. No conflict. I just don't talk to you too much.
What?
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Here's my fish too.
Mine's a canine.
I know, right?
Oh god.
Oh my gosh, good effort. A for effort on a Monday.
That was funny. I needed that
thanks.
last.
We will try it again in
Here we go.
a month.
I got halfway.
Yeah, I think Sharita's got the closest.
Oh, we got 2
Congratulations, Sharita! Yay!
I think our
Very close
paper's
to the
too thick. It's
horizontal.
part of it.
You can blame it that way.
We use them now
My
to
tour.
fold a rabbit ear fold.
Rabbit ear.
fold.
That's
Flattening to the right.
We've been up in the
No,
night.
just-
We may not succeed at origami, but we create beautiful smiles.
Show us your tooth.
This is my tooth, which the only part that I didn't really get all that well is the crown of the tooth. The occlusion's a little high. I need to adjust the bite. This is Gina's origami. Guess she didn't go to dental school.
And just like that, we finished his teeth, dropped the mic, bam.
Man.
They deceived us.
It really did.
Easy.
It really did.
But it's not.
Yeah, this was hard. Nice and clean. Throw some floss in there.
Oh yeah.
There you go, girl.
Cool. All done.
Thanks guys.
Here you go. Molar, origami, and it's actually a friend. So there you have it. Tooth, molar, origami.